Hi there, Max. How are you? You're 7 weeks old today, aren't you? Are you going to smile? Are you going to smile? Where's Max? There he is. Whoop. There he is. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi there. Are you going to smile? Are you going to smile? Max. Hi. Can you smile? Max, can you smile? Say hi. Hi there. Hey there. Hi. Max. You're not looking at Mama, are you? You're looking at the camera. Hi. Oh, who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Hi. Hi. Max. Hey. Hi, Bunny. Hi. Can you smile? Can you smile? Hi. Can you smile for Mama? Come on. Come on. Who's a cute little baby boy? Who's a cute baby boy? Yeah? What are you saying? What are you saying? You're getting those legs going, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're getting them going. There you are. There's a big boy. Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.